Hello and welcome to Planet. I'm going to make a planner for the month of May. So for this month, I'm using a theme of lotus. So I just drew some lotus with a pencil and then use the sketch pens to make it more beautiful and colorful. So the same way goes with the month of the May as well. So the next page is the quote page. I always keep these kind of stencils in handy. Don't think this is a store bought. This is just a circle shape which you get it with the clothes. So I use them to make my planner, which is much more easier. So the next page is for the month of the May. Here I use this type of stencil. So this makes my job very easy. Otherwise you can use the scale and pencil to make this monthly planner. So these are the few labels which I made it from the scrap paper. You can also make it by your own. For this, just look out my other videos of how to make this stickers. So the same lotus theme is continued for the rest other pages as well. So the next page is for the mood tracker and also the sleep tracker. So if you wanted to track the number of hours you sleep and how your mood was on that particular day, so this page is for that. So this page is for the habit tracker. So if you wanted to track any of your habits or if you wanted to start a new habit, you can use this page to track your habits. So the same lotus theme is continued in this page as well. So this would also help you keep track of your habits and also the studying, anything like that. So the next page is the weekly planner. I always make a page into 4 boxes, so that way you make use of whole space in the page, not wasting anything, and you have more space to write down for your everyday thing. So the same lotus theme continues, and this is same labels which I made from the scrap paper. I also made this because the lotus theme is pink, so I use these similar color stickers. That's it. This is very simple and very easy to make. If you like this one, do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.